Honourable Member for Rustico Emerald.
So, Mr. Speaker, it was clear that the rules were not followed. The Premier has just said that emails were deleted when they shouldn't have been. And the Auditor General is quite clear in her report. Because these emails were illegally deleted, she could not do the job that she wanted to do. Mr. Premier, it seems odd to me and to the members of the public that information from key officials, both present and former, was destroyed. So can you please tell me, how did this happen under your watch?
Honourable Premier.
Mr. Speaker, it did not happen under my watch. The events described by the honourable member took place sometime probably prior to 2012. But let me be very precise in this. The word illegal and earlier references along those lines is a very serious allegation to make, and there are ways to deal with that. And indeed, it's my understanding that there has been a reference to the RCMP, and presumably they are looking into that question, but I don't think it's something that should be thrown around lightly on the floor of this House. But let me say on the point of the emails, we do take that seriously, that there should be records, and the records should be kept. Mr. Speaker, I've spent months, if not years, of my own life in the archives when there are paper records and complete records, and I understand the value of having a continuous and a permanent archive of the important work of government and what that means in terms of the continuity of good government in this province. We stand by that, and we in fact are acting on policies to ensure that those records are identified and will be kept for longevity. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.